Ever felt trapped? Trapped by a phone number of all things? You know, the one you've had for years, the one that's on your business cards, your website, the one your clients and family know. But now you're looking at a sleek, modern communication platform like 8x8, promising better efficiency, flexibility, and frankly, a much-needed upgrade. But then, that nagging question hits you. What about my number? It's a valid concern. Changing your phone number can feel like changing your identity. It's a hassle, a potential business disruption, and a stress you simply don't need. But what if I told you you don't have to? What if you could bring that familiar, trusted number with you to 8x8? That's exactly what we're going to unpack today. We're going to break down the process of transferring or porting your existing phone number to 8x8. We'll demystify the steps, highlight the potential pitfalls, and give you a clear roadmap to a smooth transition. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced business world, communication is king. And 8x8 offers a powerful suite of tools to streamline your communication. But the strength of those tools is amplified when you can leverage your existing phone number, maintaining continuity and building on the trust you've already established. So why would you want to port your number to 8x8 in the first place? Well, let's explore that. First, continuity. As we touched on, your phone number is a crucial part of your business identity. Porting ensures that your clients, partners, and employees can continue to reach you without any disruption. It's about maintaining seamless communication and avoiding the confusion that comes with changing your number. Second, enhanced functionality. 8x8 offers a robust suite of communication features, including cloud-based phone systems, video conferencing, team messaging, and more. By porting your number, you can integrate it seamlessly into this powerful platform, unlocking a whole new level of efficiency and productivity. Third, cost-effectiveness. In many cases, porting your number to 8x8 can result in significant cost savings compared to maintaining separate phone lines or services. 8x8's unified communication platform streamlines your communication infrastructure, reducing your overall expenses. Fourth, scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, 8x8 can scale with your needs. Porting your number allows you to leverage 8x8's flexible platform as your business grows, ensuring that your communication infrastructure can adapt to your evolving requirements. Okay, so we understand the why. Now, let's get into the how. The process of porting your number to 8x8 generally involves a few key steps. 1. Verifying eligibility. Before you begin the porting process, it's essential to verify that your number is eligible for porting. Typically, most landline and mobile numbers can be ported, but there may be exceptions based on your location, service provider, or number type. You'll need to contact your current service provider to confirm your number's eligibility and ensure that it's active. 2. Gathering required information. To initiate the porting process, you'll need to gather some essential information, including your account number with your current service provider, your billing address and contact information, a recent copy of your phone bill, the phone numbers you wish to port, your 8x8 account information. Having this information readily available will help streamline the porting process and prevent delays. 3. Submitting a porting request. Once you've gathered the necessary information, you'll need to submit a porting request to 8x8. This can typically be done through your 8x8 account portal or by contacting their customer support team. 8x8 will then initiate the porting process with your current service provider. 4. Authorization and verification. Your current service provider will need to authorize the porting request. This may involve verifying your account information and confirming your intent to port your number. Be prepared to respond promptly to any requests for information or authorization from your current service provider. 5. Scheduling the porting date. Once your porting request has been authorized, 8x8 will work with your current service provider to schedule a porting date. This is the date when your number will be transferred to 8x8. It's important to choose a porting date that minimizes disruption to your business operations. 6. Testing and activation. On the scheduled porting date, 8x8 will activate your number on their platform. It's crucial to test your number thoroughly to ensure that it's working correctly. Make test calls, send text messages, and verify that all your communication features are functioning as expected. 7. Notifying your contacts. While porting your number should be seamless, it's always a good idea to notify your key contacts, such as clients, partners, and employees, about the upcoming change. This will help prevent any confusion or missed calls. Now, let's talk about some potential pitfalls and how to avoid them. 1. Incorrect information. Providing inaccurate or incomplete information during the porting process can lead to delays or even rejection of your request. Double-check all the information you provide to ensure accuracy. 2. Outstanding balances. If you have any outstanding balances with your current service provider, they may refuse to release your number. Make sure your account is in good standing before initiating the porting process. 3. Contractual obligations. Review your contract with your current service provider to ensure that there are no contractual obligations that would prevent you from porting your number. Some providers may have early termination fees or other restrictions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.